A washing machine that isn't draining can be a frustrating issue. But fortunately, there are several potential causes and solutions. One common reason for drainage problems is that the machine is standing on an uneven surface, which can be easily fixed by checking if it's leveled and adjusting its wheels if necessary. Another possible issue is a kinked or damaged drain hose, which can block the drainage path. Inspecting the hose at the back of the machine and replacing it if damaged can resolve this problem. Additionally, the drain hose may be clogged with clothing or other items, so disconnecting it and checking for obstructions can help. It's also important to ensure that the connection between the drain hose and drain sink isn't too tight, as an airtight seal can create a vacuum that prevents water from draining. The hose should not be inserted more than 6 inches into the sink. By addressing these potential issues, you can resolve your washing machine's drainage problems and get it working properly again.